Tampa Bay. Brady steps up, gets rid of it, and that pass could not be handled by Evans. He was looking for a flag immediately. Now he's getting into it with Rayshawn Jenkins.
And that's one where Mike Evans' frustration boiled over. I'll be surprised if this call doesn't go against him. Because the pass was broken up, because here comes an all-out blitz, but Uchenna Nwosu, number 42, is in the coverage, and he makes a really nice play against Evans. Now, he wants the call, doesn't get it. There's some verbal trash that comes from Rayshawn Jenkins, and Mike Evans responded. And Evans was the first with the push. That call should go against him.
After the play was over, personal foul, unnecessary roughness, offense, number 13. 15-yard penalty, brings up 4th down.
That's the frustration of Mike Evans. Hurt his foot early in the game. Has come back trying to gut through it. Ball was thrown well. He gets covered by a defensive end who makes a nice play on it. He's upset about that.